One of the problems local farmers really actually neglect, and they don't um, give it priority, is about the nutrient availability in the soil, and how to come about applying a sustainable nutrient into the soil. So first of it, as you can see, this farm over here is being deficient from what we called nitrogen. So nitrogen compound. So first of all, the two things might be the problem. First one is that the plants, they are unable to uptake the nitrogenous compound in the soil. And the second might be that the soil in itself is actually lacking some nitrogenous content in it. So these are the two problems that this maize over here might be facing. Because as you can see, it shows that the leaves are not green enough, and you can see, so it shows that they are unable to feed themselves well due to the lack of nutrients in them. So due to the lack of nutrients uptake. So as I've said, it might be first off the available compounds of nitrogen and other basic elements are not in their available forms, or they are not even present in the soil at all. So first of all, one must actually do that. Is why I do recommend, and it is very, very vital for every any farmer that wants to farm, to make sure he or she, first thing is that he or she must test the soil, has to do some soil testing to check what are the available nutrients in the soil, and what are the nutrients that are available in the soil, and are they in the available forms for plants to uptake. So these are very necessary things that farmers supposed to know and supposed to carry out before embarking on the cultivation journey. So most local farmers, they don't really care about it. When you tell them, do soil testing before starting your cultivation, they'll be like, what's there in soil testing? Killing, it's not really needed. Even though you can see that this farmer has already done some basic needs in the farm, but yet does that mean this maize plants are free, or they are good to yield? They are in their best form to yield a good product? No. So the farmer actually did the weed management, which is actually good. But see the maize, they are not in their good position, in their good looking at all, and this practically will reduce the actual yield, the potential yield farmers supposed to realize from this farm. So as a local farmer, one of the steps you have to take is that first off, do your soil testing. Check your soil. Take some samples of soil from different axes in the farm and take it to the lab for testing. Let them check the available nutrients in your soil and are all they in the available form for plants to uptake them as a nutrient. So this is very, very, very vital. And another thing that can actually be a cause is the nematodes or some pathogens in the soil that might be affecting the roots of the plants, whereby forming a rhizobium, but it's actually not rhizobium, because maize are not a leguminous crop that can fix nitrogen. So all these are very, very important when you want to start farm journey. Your first thing must notice, and you must give priority, is your soil testing. Know the land you want to cultivate on. You cannot just see any land and just start cultivating. So you have to find that, because that is the bedrock. Do your soil testing. Check for everything that is needed, or that the soil might be lacking, or the soil might have as a harmful effect for the plant. So, and then do some corrections or preventions. If it's know that okay, the correction can be made very early and you need to do your cultivation very early, then find another land to cultivate. So as a farmer, you have to know the type of land you'll be using for your farm. So and doing your soil testing is very, very important. Your soil testing is very, very important. Always do testing for soil. Check the nutrients available in the soil. Check for any pathogens in the soil. Check for any harmful substance that might affect your plants in the soil before embarking on your cultivation process. So I think this will be a teaching and a lesson for any other local farmers that wish or intend to cultivate. So you don't just see land and start cultivating. No, it's not proper. So you have to know more about the soil you are using, the soil you want to cultivate on. Know more about it. So it's very, very, very important. So see you on my next video. Thank you.